everybody. We are gonna have a race. We got some nice sandwiches going in our tummy. You can't move. See all that?
You had to eat that cheating.
You had to put it back in the sandwich. So,
are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god. And you might get set.
Go!
Go. You're fat. It's not corn.
Boy, do they really just multiply with
You're a
tomatoes.
little ass
That's
mouth.
what I'm doing today. So if you have a couple of guard tomatoes that just didn't quite turn out right, give them a roast. Why not?
It's real food in love.
Turn out with a beautiful roasted
Yeah.
tomato soup. Just going to get the skin off now. Just quarter it, see? No serious chopping here. And if you're super lazy, I mean, you could just half it. But I like to quarter it. More surface area for the heat to hit it to get that beautiful caramelized color.
And we just ate
There we
one.
go. And that's it. Now to that I want to add some sprigs of thyme. I just love the way they smell. They're great flavor here. It's going to be just perfect with the roasted tomato soup as well. So sprigs, don't skimp on it. And then to that some olive oil.
You tried it before.
One hand on the olive oil, the rest on the salt. I'll probably end up salting it a little bit more when I get it into my little sheet pan here.
I'm gonna put my thumb on that.
Bit of pepper.
I know.
So good. And some balsamic vinegar. The sweet, tangy, just kind of drizzle it in the top. When you go to the grocery store and you look at the
Yes,
balsamic
yeah,
vinegar,
I'm
you're going to
mine.
say to yourself, man, this is some expensive stuff. Yeah, it's expensive, but don't buy the most expensive bottle because we're going to roast today. And when you roast, you're going to lose all those nuances that you paid for with the really expensive
It feels like the
bottle
sandwich is never
of
gonna
balsamic
end.
vinegar. So the most inexpensive or cheapest bottle that you find is just
Check them.
fine.
Do not first.
Get out of here. Ready?
Just kind of zhuzh these and make sure they all have a little bit of space. It's a big old piece of time right there.
Yeah, Barbara.
Ready for the oven. That's it. See how easy this is? Now I'm going to wait for about 45 to 50 minutes. I'm going to know it's done. I'm going to look. Everything's caramelized, juicy.
Oh!
Roasted tomato soup.
Oh!
It's our
Oh! Oh! Guys, I'm gonna throw up.
Or the coleslaw, or whatever you want to call it. It is a good ham and cheese sandwich sandwiched in between some brioche that tastes like French toast. It is so yummy. Alright, I've got my cinnamon stick and my baby here. Go shopping in my pantry there.
You gotta eat that.
Another thing I
And
really
your
love about
saliva.
this recipe. Like when you go to the grocery store,
You got some more
for
there.
hours for something special, when you're making something special. Now you can make something special. It's really not that hard to find. These are frozen cranberries. You can find them in the freezer section. Or if it's that time of year around the holidays, get them right there with the veggies and the fruit right when you
You're
walk into
fucking
the grocery
fat.
store. Now to that I'm going to add some orange juice. And that's going to add the sweetness and a bit of the tang as well. About a quarter of a cup. Maybe a half, you never know. This is one of those recipes where you can kind of like do it to taste. If you want something super sweet, add a little bit more sugar. But today I'm just going to do a quarter of a cup of sugar into
I thought I was gonna throw up.
that we're going to turn into a spread for our Monte Cristo. That is just a sandwich that usually you get with ham and cheese, and the bread is made into like a really yummy